Hey, welcome to channel. In this video I am gonna show you how to enable or set up snap camera in OBS Studio. Let's get started. First we go to Google and type snap camera to download the snap camera from its official website, and let's download it. If you want, you can provide email address to receive marketing emails about snap camera as well as other snap products and services. Now solve the captcha, and currently I am in PC, so I hit the download for PC button. As you can see here, I have already downloaded it for this video. After finishing the download, we have to go for installation process. After finishing the installation process, we simply untick the launch camera and click finish button. Now if you have already opened the OBS Studio, please exit it from here, since it will unable to detect the camera if web camera is used by some other software at this time. So guys, now double click shortcut icon to open the snap camera. Now click next. Again, you can see here the same thing which I have told you a few seconds ago. Now again click here and see the magic of the software. Now open the OBS Studio and add video capture device. Name whatever you want and go to properties. And now in device section choose snap camera. That's all. Now I want to give you very important tips. Remember, always remember that if you want to use snap camera in OBS or Zoom or in whatever else, please do not forget to open the snap camera first. Otherwise you may face problem something like this. Hope you have got it. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and comment below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next informative video.